Welcome to the Daltai Learning Analytics Training Resource. This suite of modules enact a CPD framework in learning analytics developed by the Daltai project. They were derived from stakeholder feedback, students and staff on training needs in higher education to support effective use of learning data to promote student success. The modules focus on acting on data, understanding the outputs of learning analytics, appropriate uses of data, ethics and privacy to ensure data analysis and resulting actions are legally compliant and transparent. We recognise there is a balance to be struck between what can reasonably be expected of stakeholders in terms of data literacy and fitting learning analytics seamlessly into their current workload, and the ongoing support needed in related areas, including the technical skills needed to process data, the interpretive skills needed to make sense of data within a wider, nuanced context, and enacting appropriate interventions to enhance student support. These short, focused training resources aim to introduce students and staff to some fundamental concepts, tasks, and practices required for the successful use of learning analytics.
The first module of the course focuses on the potential and limitations of learning analytics. In fact, to realise the potential of learning analytics, we must first be aware of the limitations of data collection and interpretation. Understand that our data is incomplete. Recognise the risks posed by inaccurate data and incorrect interpretations of data. Be aware of best practices for the legal and ethical collection and use of data. Understand the importance of policy in protecting stakeholders from inappropriate uses of data. Once we understand the limitations and risks involved, the data that we do have becomes useful. Appropriate analysis and informed response can help us improve teaching practice and learning outcomes.
The second module of the course focuses on how we can access and interpret the data available to us, and how we can assess the quality of that data. This module shows students how to access and assess their own learning analytics data, address and correct inaccuracies in their data records, interpret learning analytics feedback. This module shows staff how to access the available learning analytics data, what to consider when interpreting information from learning analytics, assess data quality, and use best practices to process the available data. Design strategies to improve data collection. Use data analytics to provide feedback for students.
The third module of the course focuses on how we can use LA data as an effective resource to support teaching and learning. This module looks at the ways students can respond to learning analytics feedback, act on insights gained from learning analytics data. This module looks at the ways staff can use learning analytics to improve teaching practice, identify the kind of decisions that can be enhanced by learning analytics, use learning analytics to reflect on teaching and learning practices.